Selling digital products presents a promising opportunity for earning online. You can create a variety of goods that cater to different interests and needs, appealing to a broad audience. As you journey through this realm, keep in mind the types of products that resonate with potential buyers. For instance, templates, guides, and planners can fit well in the everyday lives of many individuals. Think about crafting specific templates that address common challenges people face. A well-designed resume template can make job seekers stand out, while a budgeting sheet can help individuals take control of their finances. Additionally, creating social media captions tailored for various industries can save time for busy marketers and business owners alike. By tapping into these needs, you won't just be selling products, you'll be providing solutions that genuinely help your customers succeed. Consider also developing printables that resonate with lifestyle trends. Fitness logs offer a way for health-conscious individuals to track their progress, while planners help users organize their busy lives. These digital tools are not only practical but cater to a desire for structure, making them appealing in today's fast-paced environment. If you possess expertise in a certain area, think about crafting short online courses or video lessons that can engage learners looking to improve their skills. You can turn your knowledge into an enjoyable learning experience that empowers others, paving the way towards both educational enrichment and income. Assessing which platforms to utilize for selling your products is essential for your success. Online marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad can provide broad visibility and handle transactions seamlessly, making them an attractive choice for newcomers. Creating your own website gives you more control over branding and customer relationships, but requires additional effort to drive traffic and sales. By combining these strategies, you can efficiently reach potential buyers while maintaining a professional and cohesive brand image. Social media platforms also play a pivotal role in promoting your products. Engaging content shared on your profiles can attract interest and showcase the value of what you're offering. Building an email list can further enhance your marketing efforts, allowing you to communicate directly with interested customers. By providing valuable content, such as exclusive tips or improvement ideas, you can nurture these relationships. Additionally, offering sneak peeks of new releases can ignite excitement and anticipation among your subscribers, making them more likely to invest in your upcoming products. Next, focus on establishing clear refund policies that protect both you and your customers. Transparency about what they can expect will help build trust throughout the purchasing process. Creating a successful digital product business requires dedication and perseverance. By prioritizing quality and maintaining strong customer relationships, you will unlock a consistent income stream. Embrace this journey with enthusiasm and resilience, and watch as your efforts bear fruit in the rewarding world of digital entrepreneurship.